Welcome to Coastockley Trading Channel. We focus on providing quality education on trading. We offer training on technical analysis, risk management, fundamental analysis, and we help traders to make profit, to reduce loss, and most importantly, to protect the capital. You can also find us on Facebook by going to the link facebook.com/GoStockley. You can also send us WhatsApp messages if you are interested to enroll for our learning program. In today's session, we will discuss about Bank Nifty trade analysis for 20th April 2021. For doing this analysis, we will be using two tools. Firstly, price action trading technique, and secondly, technical indicators. Price action trading technique we will be using to predict the price movement, and secondly we will use it for deciding our entry and exit price levels based on events like trendline breakout or breakdowns. Secondly, we can use technical indicators for confirming our trades. What I mean, let's suppose our trade is not working in our favor, so based on the technical indicator signal, in this video we will be using VWAP. Based on this signal, we will be exiting our trade. On the other hand, if it is working in our favor, we'll continue with the trade. So let's get started. Before we start analyzing the trade for 20th April, let's try to understand how the price has moved in the previous few days. So here we can see from between 13th and 15th. Okay, so when I hover over my mouse or I put my cursor over this candle, it shows me the date here in the down area. Okay, so from 12th April we can see the price is an uptrend. How we can say that the price is an uptrend? There are two ways to identify the price, if the price is an uptrend or downtrend. Okay, if the price is moving like this, okay, so that means it forms higher lows and higher highs, it is an uptrend. Okay, secondly, what we can do is we can draw a trend line connecting the lows. Okay, as long as it continues to trade above this trend line, it will be an uptrend. If it breaks, then we can say the uptrend has ended. Mind it, if the uptrend has ended, it does not mean that it will be in a downtrend. It can be also in a consolidation. This we will see just immediately after this. So here we can see that the price was in uptrend between 12th and 15th. On 16th, as I mentioned here, the price is no longer making higher highs and higher lows, so it is no longer in an uptrend, it is moving sideways. So we can say it is in a consolidation phase. Okay, so this is the second type of trend. Let me remove this. Okay, the second type of trade is sideways. So price moves between or oscillates between a same higher band price level and same lower band price level. Okay, so this is the second type of trend. What is the third type of trend? If we observe the price is moving like this, okay, so it is forming lower highs at each new swing and lower lows at each new swing, we can say that this is in a downtrend. So here this high is lower than this high, the third high is lower than the second high, similarly the lows are also lower. Okay, so these are the three types of trend. So we observe this structure in the price and say we can understand whether the price is in uptrend or downtrend or in consolidation phase. Okay, so what we have observed is between 12th and 15th the price was in uptrend, then on 15th on 16th the price was in a consolidation phase. Now what we observe on 19th, is that the price gaps down, opens with a huge gap down of 3.2%, almost 1000 points, over 1000 points, and then continued with further downtrend for another 2%. So this is like lot of negativity. People would start selling at the opening hours, right? And this is when the sellers will be trapped. Why? Because those who were selling on the previous day will start booking their profit now, and also some people would be finding lot of value at a 5% discount, so they will be start buying, right? So price starts going up. What we can observe is that by the end of the day on 19th, by end of the day, almost 30% of the gap is filled. So this was the 100% of the gap, and here I can see at least the 30% of the gap is filled, right? We can also observe that previous uptrend, after previous uptrend, there was consolidation, there was downtrend, and now again there is a new uptrend. So we can expect that the trend might continue on the next day, because in technical analysis we have an assumption that if the trend is moving in a direction, it will continue to move in a direction unless there is an event like trendline breakdown. When it is going up, we can expect that the price will continue to go up if it is trading above this level and it does not break this trend line. Similarly, if the price is going in a downtrend, it will continue to go in a downtrend unless it breaks the trend line. And like for example, if it does not go above this line, it will continue to move further, right? So now let's analyze the charts for 20th. So we start with the gap up. So okay, so here we can see there is a gap up of 175 points or 0.56%. Okay, so at this opening hour, more than 50% of the gap is filled. So all this negativity, whatever was there, most of it is now gone. Now what we can observe is price is moving in a sideways direction. Okay, and we are seeing the price is facing resistance at 31723 level, 31,700 level around. So as the price is moving in a sideways channel, and here we can observe it is looks like a triangular pattern. Okay, so we can sell. So this is a short trend. Okay, so we can draw a trend line on both sides of the connecting the highs and connecting the lows. As it breaks the trend line, we can take a short position based on the price action technique. Okay, and our target will be previous day close, because this is the immediate support and we expect that the gap might be filled in the coming hours. Okay, here again we can see that the price is moving in a sideways channel, so we can sell if it breaks down from this side, from this trend line, and we can buy if it breaks out from this channel. Okay, and here at this point, I think from this point onwards, we can see the VWAP indicator is higher than the price. So this is an indication that the price is weak and it may continue to fall further. So we continue with our trend. So we got our confirmation. Okay, so here we can take another sell position and our target is same, this price level. Okay, 31,254 till I think we can hold till 31,200. So here we can see that our target is met and we book profit from both of the short positions. Here we can see that price is moving again in a sideways direction and we can sell when there is a breakdown from this channel. Okay, so how to draw support and resistance, how to draw trend lines, how to take a trade, how to take trades based on trend lines. We will see more details in the coming videos. So here, from when I again enter a short position, my target is this one, the previous support from where the previous uptrend was started. Okay, so this is my target. Okay, so basically what we understood is, based on price action and based on the confirmation from the technical indicator, focus on learning so that we can take better informed decisions, and our trading should be rule based. It should be based on rule based approach. So when I took entry at this level, my stop loss would have been at 31,671. When I entered short positions at 31491, my stop loss would have been at 31547. When I entered a short position here at around 302, my stop loss would have been at 430. Likewise,